Hiya, Renee Jones here. My 10th Trimaversary was last Saturday, October the 8th. And as a celebration of that, I've got a special offer for you. But more on that in a bit. The 3 ways to make that happen for you, and last week we looked at the first way. And here's the update on that. It's still not the diet. The diet is one tool. So choose what works for you and choose the one you can most easily tolerate. It's not the only part. The second way is identify what drives you to food for comfort or stress relief and resolve that. Okay, we're talking about those things, those thoughts that plague us. Feeling stuck, feeling like we're just not enough, memories, wounds, unresolved issues. What happens when you get knee-deep in those thoughts and feelings? Yeah, we usually want some comfort or soothing or stress relief. And because we do, we often beat up on ourselves, assuming there must be something wrong with me. There isn't. It's a pattern we've learned. It's an easy fix for those feelings, even if it doesn't last. We've done it for so long, it's hard to see a way to do something else. Like many of you, it was clear that the foods did not help me in the end. Giving in to a Twinkie, chocolate, mac and cheese, they just made me feel worse in the end. And of course I was slathering on shame. That stuff gets so heavy. It's like dragging a bag filled with rocks, and every time we cycle through it, more rocks are added, so it gets even heavier. Now, I know I'm not a light traveler. When I pack for a trip, I know I'm always going to be pushing the weight limits for that bag. And for travel, come on, it's the shoes, isn't it? But for life, it's all the emotional baggage I dragged along with me for decades. Can you relate? The only real solution for my suitcase or my baggage was to unpack, evaluate, and only pack what I truly need or want with me. Unpacking the emotional bag, that stuff that was driving the behavior bus, left me feeling lighter in heart, mind, and spirit. It opened my eyes so I could get free of where I felt stuck or not enough. And honestly, it was more effective for my body than any diet I had ever tried. Because when you aren't using food to soothe yourself, you do save a whole bunch of calories. And I want this for you as well. So I'm celebrating my 10th Trimaversary with giving a special offer on my program. And for the next 5 who take me up on it, I'm going to sweeten the deal with a further discount. Message me for the details. We can do a Zoom call so we can get to know each other, and I can share the details of this very special offer. I look forward to speaking with you. All the best.